Hi everyone, I'm Rod with Johnson RV. We're in Sandy, Oregon, not too far from Portland. It's a beautiful day here today and we've got a chance to show you a new arrival. This is a great example of what we call premium pre-owned. We've been a leisure travel dealer here for about 14 years now. And since we do get the new products, we also get some nice trade-ins and some consignments here. Great example of that. This is a 2019 Unity Murphy bed. So if you haven't had a chance to look at Leisure Travels online, I encourage you to see that. We've got some great videos up, 45 minutes long, great detail videos done by Dean from Leisure Travel, and he'll get you some more details. But this specific one is pre-owned 2019, very loaded. It's got almost every option they had the year this was built. Number one, it has, what's nice, this is a 19, but it has the 19 chassis from Mercedes, which was an upgraded chassis, and it gave you all of the safety features, collision avoidance, lane change assist, all those things that are important to driving these days were on this new updated chassis in that year. This is in champagne, the color champagne. We've got Alcoa cast aluminum wheels. This comes equipped with the macerator, and when we get inside, I'll talk about a couple other options that are important. Before we go inside though, I want to introduce Andrew behind the camera, Andrew Peters. And so if you have any questions about details, you can either ask for Andrew Peters or myself, Rod. I'm happy to help you. Let's go in and take a look at the inside. Now, we get pre-owned leisure travel products quite a bit here at the store. And it's always nice to get inside because virtually all of them are very well taken care of. The people that buy leisure travels, they invest money in them, serious money, and they take good care of them. This is a good example of that too. And just a couple things, you'll notice up front, you've got your driver and passenger seat. Both these can be turned around and come face towards the back and become nice for your living area. And as you come around, you'll see we've got the recliners. These are power recliners. And what's neat about the Murphy bed is that it's all living space. And then when you need your bedroom, the bed comes down out of the slide very simply. And it's a nice big bed too. It's not, I wouldn't call it a king size bed, but it's larger than what you typically find in a RV queen. Beautifully done in cherry wood interior. You've got your galley here with Corian countertops. I love what these folks did. They put a little different backsplash back here, and it makes sense. Sometimes people get a little out of hand on their upgrades and things, but they did a nice job with that. Across from the recliners, you've got your entertainment area there. Nice 40-inch television set. And then you have your two-door refrigerator in the galley. This is a three-way. And then a microwave convection. Again, remember I mentioned that the Murphy bed is all living space when you need it. This bathroom is probably larger than any other motorhome I've seen in this size category. It's the type of bathroom where a person can go in there. If you're the lady of the house, you can do your hair, your makeup, get dressed, showered, all that kind of thing. When you're ready, you come on out. You don't have to bounce back and forth to different sections of the little motorhome to get ready. And people, seems to be a real popular thing about this floor plan. But again, beautifully done. Check out the bath, the shower size in there. That's a nice corner shower. And even a big person like myself, I'm about 6'4". I feel comfortable in that shower, so keep that in mind if you've got some tall people in your family. A great example of premium pre-owned 2019 Leisure Travel Unity Murphy bed. Again, ask for Andrew Peters or myself, Rod, and we'll be able to get the details for you.